How to find wallet address on Bitget. All right, guys, so in order to find your wallet address on the Bitget exchange, the first step you have to take is simply owning an account. If you do not own one, you could simply sign up, create an account, and then simply sign in to your app. Once you're on the app, go ahead and click on Add Funds. Once you click on Add Funds, go ahead and click on Deposit Crypto. Click on the Deposit Crypto option. A number of cryptocurrency options would be available to you. And now all you need to do is find the wallet address for the token or coin you want to receive. So it could be Ethereum, it could be BNB, Solana, Bitcoin, or something as common as USDC. So let's go ahead and click on USDC. And then once you click on it, you'll be prompted to use a network. Now, the networks are determined by the connections you have. You could either make use of Arbitrum, Sonic, Aptos, Base, Optimism. So let's go ahead and click on Base. Now, this address is unique to the Base network. If you click again, you could simply select a different network to use, like the Ethereum network, Solana, BEP20, Monad. So if you click on Monad, you also have your Monad address to copy. Just go ahead and copy the address, and that's it.